All right, I'm so happy. Got my Texas Speed headers in. Texas Speed and Performance. Got the 17 Camaro SS. Basically, I got the catted inch and 7/8 inch Texas Speed headers. So again, here's the headers. It's clamps, looks like. I got the catted connection pipes, so these would go down here and here. Pipes look pretty good. Here's the inside, here's the cats again. Doesn't look all too bad. Headers. And I think the Texas Speed comes with actual GM. Here's the AC Delco number. I think that's actually your stock metal gaskets. I know some headers come with some type of paper gasket, but these are the actual GM ones, so that's why I like these. Here's your O2 cord, or extender, I should say. But yeah, that's it. Can't wait to get these on. Probably be another week or two. Taking it to a shop. I don't think I'm full with doing this labor. I don't have a lift or anything, and the place I'm taking it to be about $350, so not too bad. And that's at a Chevy dealership too, so trust them. But yeah, that's it. Texas Speed headers, 17 Camaro SS.